I'm out here at 4 Mile Beach, Port Douglas. Obviously it's not a good time of day. The water is way out there. It's beautiful all the same. Wish the tide was in, but Port Douglas over there. That's the lookout up on the hill, the Flagstaff Hill lookout. What a beautiful day. We nearly reached the water. Wasn't that far out. Bit of an exaggeration. 50 metres, 60 metres out. Oh, the water's bloody beautiful. Nice and warm. Maybe a bit too warm, but oh well. That is the North Tropics. Alright, let's get Chopper in the air and have a look around. Beautiful 4 Mile Beach, just seems to go on forever. On a day like this with blue skies and calm water, Port Douglas is looking pretty hard to beat. So this is the southern side, which is the more residential part of Port Douglas. Oh, what a lovely walk. Going rainforest here. Look at that. Beautiful. Awesome. Nice yacht out there. These mangroves, aren't they? Pretty cool. All these bird of paradise plants. Someone put a lot of effort into putting a lot of plants and stuff along here. It's pretty good. It's awesome. Look at this, bloody beautiful. Bit of a park, looking out to the coral sea. Across to the Daintree. A bit of Daintree over here, then up to Cape Tribulation. A lovely little cove. Port Douglas Marina, where all the white boats are parked up, charter boats, reef boats. And that's heading up the inlet and out to the Coral Sea. That's the coastline stretching up the Cape Tribulation and panning around to the ancient Daintree rainforest. Absolute paradise. Coming back into the marina. Coming into town, sort of the heart of town, pubs and clubs and all your cafes, and the circus is in town. Big tent there. And then a beautiful view out to the Coral Sea. Magic. And these beautiful homes here, awesome, looking out over the ocean, just at the base of the lookout. It's 4 Mile Beach. It's like the eastern side of Port Douglas. You're looking down towards Cairns. Bloody beautiful. That's our little look around Port Douglas. Thanks for coming along, and I'll catch you on the next adventure.